We were fortunate enough to be the first ones to get to try the mobile kitchen that Cargill purchased for the after-school Grants the Stealth program. And it's open for use by all the schools, but our school got to try it out first. There you go.
On behalf of Cargill Incorporated and the local council of Wichita Cargill Cares, we are happy to be here to see the mobile cooking cart and be partnering with Stealth in their program.
There is a curriculum that goes with the program. There are some on squash and there's one on pumpkins, and it tells you what the plant looks like, how the plant grows, all the different things you can do with the plant, some of the history of the plant, the product. So it's kind of a comprehensive curriculum about the products that they use.
They have vitamins.
You're right, they do have vitamins. And what else do they have?
Nutrients.
You're right.
This is their first cart, USD 259's first cart. This is the first year for the program, for their cooking program.
You can fit them like this.
This is actually our first time that we've used the cart, and we started off earlier this week with a story called 100 Hungry Ants, and they talked about the ants marching one by one, then two by two, then 10 by 10. And so then we came up together and wrote a recipe and with the ingredients and supplies that we needed, and then the steps, step by step, how we were going to build it. And then tonight we came in here and put it all together.
It looks so good. I want to eat it off the stick. Me.
It was kindergarten through second grade. Oh yes, they were very excited. Very, very excited.
Mama says celery tastes good with the peanut butter.
At the end, I kind of went over with them what those different ingredients did for their bodies and how they helped their bodies grow, what the benefit was of eating that healthy snack. Some of them loved it, some of them weren't too crazy about the ants.